Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Yonon. If you are new in my channel, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button over there. If you are getting this error, you don't currently have permission to access this folder in Windows 10 or 11 computer. So here is how to fix it. So let's say you are facing this problem. So just right click on the problematic folder and then click on properties. Now what you have to do, you have to click on security tab. Now click on edit. After that click on add. Now you have to type here everyone. Once you have to type everyone, just click on check names. Once you will click here, there will be an underline which will appear just below everyone. After that click on OK. Now make sure the full control is enabled. If it is not there, just check all the options. After that click on apply and OK. After that click on OK, you try again that folder if your problem is fixed or not. So now if this does not get fixed, then there are once more things which you can do. That is just go to the search bar and type here edit group policy. Now just click on the option edit group policy. Now what you have to do, you have to go to computer configuration, then click on Windows setting. You have to expand it Windows setting. Now click on security setting. Now you have to go to local policies and expand it. After that you have to go to security option. Just double click on it. Now on the right side you have to locate user account control admin approval mode for the built-in administer account. So just locate this user account control admin approval mode for the built-in administer account and double click on it. Just click on disable, then click on apply and OK. Now you have to locate one more thing, and that is locate user account control run all administer and admin approval mode. So once you have to find this option, just double click on it. Now you have to choose it disable and click apply, then OK. Now close this window and now try again. Your problem will be fixed or not. So I hope this video help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.